Okay, good morning students. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about this energy and power signals. Okay, previous lecture we have seen the even and odd signal. Now today we will start with this energy and power signal. Okay, so according to the definition, okay, for energy signal, or you can say for continuous signals, energy signals. Okay, so the definition, the total energy of a continuous time signal xt can be defined as equal to limit t tends to infinity minus t by 2 to plus t by 2 mod of x t whole square dt. So this is the mathematical definition of your energy signal. Okay, or you can write it down same with E equal to minus infinity to infinity mod of xt the whole square dt. Okay, this is for your energy signal. Clear. Now if I talk about the average power, so the average power is given by P limit t tends to infinity 1 by t minus t by 2 to t by 2, that plus mod of x of t whole square dt. Okay, so the only change is here. If you compare is it this equation and this equation, for average power we are multiplying the extra factor 1 by t over here. Okay, so the same equation you can write it down p equal to limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t minus t mod of xt whole square dt. Okay, so यहाँ पे लिमिट थी माइनस टी बाई टू टू प्लस टी बाई टू, और यू कैन राइट इट डाउन 1 by 2t minus t to t. Okay, or another form you can write it down in the form of p equal to 1 by t2 minus t1 t1 to t2 mod of xt whole square dt. So these are the three various form of this signal. Okay, so this is all about your continuous time. If I talk about the discrete time, okay, so for discrete signal or discrete energy signal. For discrete energy signal, the total energy defined as, so the formula or mathematical equation for this discrete energy signal is n equal to minus infinity to infinity mod of x n का whole square. Okay, and power signal is given by P equal to limit n tends to infinity 1 upon 2n plus 1 summation small l is going to capital N to plus n mod of x and whole square. Okay, so this is the definition or mathematical function or mathematical equation for your power signal if the signal is in discrete time. Okay, now there is one note over here and it is important. Okay, and the point is since energy and power are real and positive quantities, that is why formula includes modulus or mod. So you can say in every equation we are using here mod of this function. Okay, because we know this energy and power are positive quantities. So we are taking the mod of the signal. Now there are some important properties of this energy and power signal. Okay, so first one, and these 4 5 point will help you when you will do the numerical problems based on this energy and power signal. Anal before to and energy signal if and only if energy is finite. So first point is saying कि उस सिग्नल को हम एनर्जी सिग्नल बोलेंगे अगर उसकी एनर्जी जो है, जो हम कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं, E इक्वल टू वो फाइनाइट हो. सो उस केस में मीन्स कैन से दैट इज एनर्जी सिग्नल इज लाइंग 0 to infinity. ओके, पॉजिटिव क्वांटिटी होनी चाहिए एंड वो क्या है, फाइनाइट है, इन बिटवीन टू 0 to infinity. So for that case we can say this is the energy signal, and if this is energy signal, so उसकी जो पावर होगी it is always 0. This is the first point. Now if I talk about the second point, a signal is referred to as a power signal if and only if power of the signal is finite. Okay, or means that is power is finite. In this case, E equal to infinity. Okay, so if the power signal, if we are calculating power signal, उस केस में E should be infinite. Okay, so ये हेल्प आउट करेगी जब आप न्यूमेरिकल करेंगे ये दोनों प्रॉपर्टीज, बिकॉज नो नीड टू कैलकुलेट दिस सेकेंड वन. अगर एनर्जी सिग्नल है, सो वी नो इफ दिस इज एनर्जी सिग्नल पावर विल बी 0. If this is power signal, the energy will be infinite. Okay, next one, a signal is referred to as neither energy nor power signal if both energy and power signal is infinite. ओके, सो वो सिग्नल ना ही एनर्जी होगा ना ही पावर सिग्नल होगा अगर वो दोनों वैल्यू उस केस में क्या है, इनफाइनाइट है. नेक्स्ट वन, ऑल फाइनाइट ड्यूरेशन signals of finite amplitude are energy signals. सो फाइनाइट ड्यूरेशन के हैं एंड फाइनाइट एम्पलीट्यूड है तो वो क्या होंगे, एनर्जी सिग्नल्स होंगे. नेक्स्ट वन, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, periodic signals are पावर सिग्नल्स। जो पीरियडिक सिग्नल्स होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? पावर सिग्नल्स होते हैं। ओके, एंड लास्ट वन इज energy signals plus power signal equal to, that will be power signal. Means if you are adding one energy signal with one power signal, so जो resultant होगा that will be your power signal. Okay, so these are the some important point related with the your signal, energy and power signal. Now if I talk about the properties, okay, ये points जो है whatever I am writing, these are very important when we do some numerical problem. Okay, next one is the, if I talk about the, okay, just leave it, we will see properties. Okay, properties of energy signals. Okay, so just remember these properties. Property, if the xt कोई हमारा सिग्नल है और उसका जब हम एनर्जी कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं एंड इट इज कमिंग द सिग्नल ई, सो इफ यू आर मल्टीप्लाइंग ए इंटू एक्स टी और उसका एनर्जी कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं, so it will be mod of a square into e. Okay, second property, if you are have signal x multiplying with the t a t, इसका एनर्जी कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं और एनर्जी सिग्नल कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं, इट विल बी ई अपॉन मॉड ऑफ ए. थर्ड वन इज x of minus at plus b. If you are taking the energy of this signal, it will be again e of upon mod of a. And the fourth one, x of, if you are taking a t plus b, calculating the energy, it will be e upon mod a. And the condition for mod a important is for a greater than 1, means I am talking about this a and this a. Time compression, or you can say reduce energy. If a less than 1, time expansion energy. We will see these properties in numerical form. So this is all about your energy and power signal. As you have seen in the starting, the definition of the energy signal, definition of the power signal in continuous, then in the discrete, what is the form of calculation of the E energy and P, some important points related with the your energy and signals, and at the end some basic properties. Okay, why I have write it down these properties? Because it will help you when you do the numerical questions. Okay, chaliye. So this is all about your energy and power signal.